I'm about 53 miles outside of Lafayette before you get to the hundreds or thousands of windmills. I am now probably in front of my car is probably now buried in the snow. Anybody see that? Isn't that nice? Look at my dashboard. Here. Can you see that, guys? Look what it says. 11 degrees. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I know it says PM, but I don't know how to change that. But it is. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I am stuck in my car with my son. I'm becoming a big-ass snowdrift. And this has been down the road for me for probably close to an hour now. And they've been working on the same vehicle, it looks like, forever. And this is how much gas I have in my car. So I hope they get to me before it runs out. If anybody's out there that can help me, it'd be appreciated. I'm at mile marker, I believe, 211 on I-65 southbound going toward Lafayette before you hit the windmills, wherever the hell that is at. I just came from Illinois dropping my husband off. This damn job better really be worth it, because right now I am in a pissy mood. Thanks, honey. After working 12 hours and being up since 4 a.m., now I'm stuck on the side of the highway. Thanks.